If you feel like everyone else is learning AI faster than you, it's probably not because they're smarter, it's because they're learning differently. AI helps you learn faster because it removes friction. You don't have to wait, feel embarrassed, or settle for one explanation. When learning adapts to you, your pace, your gaps, your context, progress accelerates. Instead of asking, explain this concept, try asking, explain this simply, give me one example, then quiz me. You're no longer just consuming information, you're practicing in real time. The biggest mistake people make is treating AI like Google. They ask one big question and move on. The fix is iteration. Ask follow-ups, challenge the explanation, and make the AI adjust until it clicks. This works incredibly well for learning new tools, preparing for meetings, ramping into a new role, or understanding complex topics quickly, especially when time actually matters. AI doesn't make you smarter overnight. It makes learning smoother, faster, and more personal. And the people who learn fastest are the ones who keep the feedback loop tight.